Hi guys, so we're going to do our frog project. In our frog project you are going to need this paper. It has a big circle on the bottom, two odd shaped eyes, and a tongue across the top. It's in your packet. You're also going to need out of your packet your glue, and you're going to need to collect scissors from your house. Now, if you don't have scissors, let Mom and Dad know that you need some scissors. Ask for theirs. If they have none, then have them get with Miss Nikki to let me know that I need to send some scissors to you, okay? Alright, so first things first, our glue. We don't need it just yet. Leave it to the side. Scissors, we're going to leave in front of us until it's time to use. Now, what we are going to start with is we are going to create a frog or a toad out of this paper. First thing you want to do is you're going to cut. You're going to cut your big circle out across the bottom. So remember, scissors up, scissors point away from us, thumb goes in the top, big fingers on the bottom. And then we can open and close. I don't have school scissors either, so I'm using big scissors, so we got to be extremely careful when we do this. And you're going to want to cut that circle out across the top. And you can see that I'm just cutting on the lines, the outside line, the darker line. So we got to be careful. And as we cut, you'll see that in the middle of my circle there's a dotted line. We do not want to cut that line. See this line? That's the line that we are not going to cut. We're going to use that line later, so make sure you can still see it when you color. Okay, put that piece down. You're going to cut out your eyes. Now, I like to start at the bottom, and I will cut it and go all the way around at the top, and then I'll cut it off the bottom. You have one eye. Don't cut your dotted line. Okay, our next step is going to be, we're going to cut the next eye out. The next eye, we'll go around. And again, we'll cut the dotted lines. We need those dotted lines. Next steps in our project. So we should big across the top. There is a tongue. We're going to cut that tongue out. So and I'm going to follow my line. Don't cut your dotted line. If you cut your dotted lines that you're going to need in a little while. Cut on those outside lines. All in. Alright, when you get your tongue cut out, there's going to be a dotted line right here. Scissors on top. Take your paper. Put it over here on your way. You're going to need some crayons now. And you're going to need more pieces that you just cut out for your bowl. So you want to color it green, browns. Being a frog, you might want to use blue, red, yellows, stripes. Okay, you want to color one side. And turn it over and you're going to color it. So this side is light green and this side is dark green. You color any color you want. We're going to create a frog out of it. Make sure though, when you get done, you can still see your dotted line. You want to see that dotted line. Okay? Alright, that's your big circle. Your eyes, you're going to want to draw circles in the middle and color this. Are going to be your eyes for your. Don't color your, you can't see it. Your tongue, you want to color both sides to your tongue. Color both sides to my tongue. You are going to color eyes. Alright, this is where you're going to pause the video in a minute and you're going to color your pieces that you cut out. But you hit pause, and when you're done coloring, you press play. Put up your frog with me. Okay? Alright. Everyone's done coloring. Welcome back. We're done coloring. First, you're going to fold them. When I say fold them, you're going to fold, you're going to look at it, and fold it back. So now you have a flap. See the flap? Set it off to the side. One more time. Here's your eye again. We're going to hold it, and we're going to fold it back. We're going to create a flap. We're going to use it in just a minute, so don't mess up. Okay? our circle, a big dotted line, and it begins on the left and on the right. You are going to fold that in half. That's all we're going to do. So you're going to fold your frog in half. The side you want to see, fold it half, like a taco. So I want side, so I'm going to fold it over, and it's going to meet in the middle, like a taco, and I'm going to squeeze my edge all the way, and I'm going to fold it. Now remember, once we fold it, we're going to pinch our finger across. So now, we have a top. Alright? This got our top one dotted line on it. My dotted line is hard up here. I'm going to fold that piece over, just like that. And I'm going to, okay? Alright. Next, decide. Do you want this to be the top? Or do you want this to be the top? This side, see part of my dotted line. I don't want that on the top of my frog. So I'm going to turn my frog over. And I'm going to use this as the top. And when I use this as the table, okay? I'm going to take my glue, roll down in there. We want to roll it up just a little bit. We don't want it short. We don't need a lot of glue out. You're going to take your tongue. Tongue first. Tongue. Everybody stick your tongue out. Go. Good job. Okay. So now that little piece that we folded down, glue in it. Alright, we got that on there? Well, now we're going to put it in our frog. So when I open up my taco shell, like this, I'm going to put my tongue back, and I'm going to glue him down just like so, and then I'm going to close him up. See? Just like that. And you can see that the flap moved down. It still moves. Right, close it back up. Now we're going to do an eye. We folded a piece down. That's with the glue on our flap. Not high in the air, low. We don't want to waste our glue. Break it off, so we're going to use it low. Glue across the flap. Once we do that, we're going to take our head and we're going to glue our eye. That causes our eye to stand up. See? Very good. All right, do the same thing on eye. All right, glue across the flap. Back on top at the top, wherever you think is easy. And you have created your very own frog. Wanted to make a toad, you need to draw bumps on circles. You can do that with your pencil again so you can see it. But you can draw circles on there. You can leave him smooth. It's up to you what you want to do. But remember, frogs are smooth and slimy. And there's are my toes. So I turn my frog, adding these little circles. Very good. Alright guys, this is the end of our frog project. You can go sing a song for your mom with our frog, right? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Alright, enjoy. Take pictures. Let me see what your frogs look like with holding your frog.